Y'all, we can't see nothing, bro. What the? Oh, no. Help us, please, help us. Oh, dang. Help me, please, help me. Uh-oh, we might got a victim, man. Oh, shit. C6, you know I got to show you a C6. Tell them, bring kids here, boy. Come here. Hey, can y'all see it? Y'all can see it. Should we do it to him? Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Why you playing with it? Oh, damn! Oh, we were spinning!
I couldn't hook.
Oh, gosh!
Traction.
Why don't you? Oh, damn! Oh, this is... Oh, damn! I was people! Oh, damn! Oh, dang!
That's Rampage, nigga.
That's Rampage? Oh, yeah, no.
I know that blower.
I was like, bro, I thought it was the dude and his wife. Oh, we're about to get it. Woo! Try that thing, brother. Oh! Woo, what's cracking like with y'all boys and girls? Bro, my voice is gone, bro. Oh my gosh. Just 2 runs in and my voice is already gone, bro. But what's cracking like with y'all boys and girls, man? It's your boy, Wavy K, and we back outside with another banger. Man, y'all see it's already an active night, man. If y'all watch last videos, it's the same night, and that joint is absolutely insane, bro. The energy is just going crazy, absolutely crazy. We just pulled up to a doggone road night, man. We left from the other spot, teleported all the way over here, type joint. Got the Honda crew rolling in. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. My voice is absolutely gone, bro. As y'all can see, we in the fast thing tonight. You dig what I'm saying? He don't got tires on tonight, though. So that run, that first one, we were spinning. We were spinning like a chicken, rotisserie chicken type joint. You dig what I'm saying? Wow. Type, hopefully y'all can see that. But, sheesh. Oh, dang. My boy said that's for weight reduction. Oh, dang. But yeah, man. It's a crazy night, bro. It's stupid crazy night, man. If y'all haven't already, like the video, subscribe for all my new people, man. Turn on post notifications, bro. A lot of y'all hit me talking about, bro, I don't post on YouTube no more. Apparently, y'all not seeing my videos because I still post on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I still make a lot of videos. So y'all gotta turn on post notifications, bro. If y'all don't turn on post notifications, bro, y'all not gonna see my videos like that. You know what I'm saying? So turn on post notifications so y'all can see my videos. Y'all can continue, you know what I'm saying? Continue to support the kid and just watch this fire content, bro, because I've been putting out, I ain't gonna lie, I put out a couple, you know what I'm saying? I got some stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like these hats, you know what I'm saying? I just dropped these hats on the store, on the website down below. Go ahead, cop them, man. Also, I think I restocked on the black WK Jones. So I'll put a picture up right here. But yeah, restocked on those two. Only a limited though. I didn't get that much because, you know, I didn't rent that much. But damn, brother. Tight. But yeah, man. So make sure y'all turn on the post notifications. Make sure y'all subscribe for all my new people, man. Oh goodness, my voice is gone, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna finish tonight, but yeah, we just pulled up to a road night. This thing it's some cars here. I ain't gonna hold you. Y'all just seen the Honda crew pull up. And y'all seen that one with the headlight missing, you know, so y'all got some good stuff here tonight. Got the C6 that pulled up. We were racing with that one. Or we wasn't racing, it was AI video. It was AI. I promise it was AI. That boy got Lambo doors on the doggone. What? Oh my goodness, bro. But yeah, man, so let's check some of these cars out, walk around. We are here early because, like I said, we left from the other meet, and this one was on the way home. So it's just like, why not? We're just gonna pull up, bruh, and we go get this thing. I know, I see that joy. It's crazy, but it was just on the way home, bruh, and so it was just like, we gonna pull up, bruh, and might as well get this thing moving and grooving. Got the chrome TEs on this joint, man. Oh goodness, real nice. I like this color on it. Very nice and beautiful with the chrome wheels. Very nice. I like that, brother. Got the doggone Lamborghini. Oh Lord, look at the sunroof. Tight. My boy done got the doors lifted up. Very luxurious type. Got the Honda Crew, like always. You dig what I'm saying? Got the fast joints. My pants fall in the joint. That's crazy. Got this blue on here. This blue is nice. I like this blue. I like this blue with the red guts. I like that. Nice little wing in the back. Very nice. Very nice. This white one too. Nice. Nice little cream joint with the gray. I like this gray. Very beautiful type. Then this one right here. I don't know about this one. This one, oh dang. Yeah, nah, don't mess with that. This one too. Look at it. Sucked the whole camera up, bro. Pause, no dig. That was crazy. But anyway, yeah, this one was, oh dang. Look at this one right here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Which one y'all taking, bro? This one? This one? I don't know. He got the headlight delete. I don't know. He told me last time it was weight reduction, so I don't know. He might be lighter than that one, but dang, brother. Yeah, this gonna be. That's good. I can't even talk because it's just tight. All right, got the doggone Kia Stinger, bro. We got two of them joints. You don't really see them out like that, low key, but when they do pop out, they be popping out fast. My boy got the welds all around type. Oh dang, brother. Yeah, they be, don't sleep on them now. Them things be moving. They be moving for sure. Dang, bro, we got the, what do you call it, new gen, bro? The new gen on a fat tire, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this gonna be a fun night, bro. This gonna be a fun night. And you stick shit. I don't know what that remote controller is on. Oh wait, is it boosted? Oh. Dang, yeah, I don't know, brother. We gonna check this one out. We gonna see if we get a nice little run in with this one. You know, we always gotta have the Beamer crew, you dig what I'm saying? Always gotta have the Beamers. It's down right here. Crazy tight. Always gotta have the Beamers, you dig? Got an S650, first one out here. Very nice. Damn, my boy done hit some guy. Shit, what's up, man? Yeah, that thing crazy right there. Got my boy. Yo, my guys. Damn, I didn't know they brought Hellcats here. Oh, my fault. Damn, big block on that jump. Nah, that's low-key small block, but sheesh. Oh, got some fine bowling in right here, man. Oh, snap. She's got a stock Hellcat. We just talked to the owner. My boy stock his head. It looked like a stock 5.0. Is it stock 5.0? Stock 5.0. It looked like stock me. Got it. 92. Okay, brother. Very nice. Hey, I'm about to buy the smart card.
Hey, they're still rubber.
2,500, bro. Man, about to buy this smart card. It's already manual too. Y'all think I could fit a Coyote in there?
Clean title, bro.
It's clean title?
You wanna check it out?
Can I put a Coyote engine in it?
Probably. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine, bro.
Oh, it's not yours? I'm like, bro, I said, pop the hood. Let me see what I'm working with. Dang, got a wrap. Need a wrap on this thing, bro. Sheesh. This is wild. If you lift this car, I will give you the 2,500. I will give you 2,500 if you lift this car. You thinking about it?
Let me get my gloves.
I'm not gonna get that nigga. I ain't getting that nigga 2,500. Got an S650 right here, man. Nice little tire, bro. Oh my goodness. Fat tire. Dang, brother. I know it moves. I know it do. Got my boy Orlando's joint. Very fast. Oh my goodness. If y'all know, y'all know. My boy got the whoosh, whoosh. Tight. Yes, sir. Got the doggone Super right here on a fat tire. Oh, dang, brother. Very nice. I ain't gonna get up all on the car type joint, but sheesh. Very nice, very nice. And oh my gosh, we got something hiding in the cut. I ain't gonna get up on the cat on it, but oh dang, brother. Oh, I'm not messing with him. Nah, he good. He can stay over here. This is clean, brother. We got a fellow Gen 1 brother. Got a carbon hood, fat tires all around. Oh my day. Ooh-wee. Nah, this is clean, brother. I like this. Very clean. He washed it too. The hood pop. I wonder if I can see what's underneath her, you know what I mean? Sheesh. Oh, okay. Got a little something. White wheels on that joint. Damn, we even got a Cybertruck pulling up. Oh, dang. Y'all was looking at the sky. Why didn't y'all tell me? Cybertruck. Tight. But yeah, bro, this thing is clean, brother. Oh, he not boosted or nothing, so I wouldn't really. He gutted like a mug, though. Jeez. All right, brother. I see you. I see you. I see you. Sheesh. Got the mirror, some VMSs all around. Very clean, brother. Very clean. Oh, damn, brother. Sheesh. My dog. Yeah. Over under for you to lift this car? I don't know. They small, but they might be heavy. I don't know. We about to see.
Get mad if
I'm pretty sure the owner would probably get mad because he's gonna set the alarm off.
Hey, y'all know whose car this is?
No? It was?
It was already here.
Oh, dang.
Man, Siri camera. There's no number.
Just lift it up from the front.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Mr. Incredible Hulk, look at that, boy.
Oh, hell no.
What? It's brittle?
It is. It's already moved.
Try to lift it from the side. That might be better anyway. This dude's wild. Huh?
No hand
Oh, dang.
Hold up. This shit already moving.
It's already moving.
This is incriminating me.
It's incriminating. How is it? How are we not stealing it? For once.
You right.
Oh, he gave up. He quit. Boo. Boo him in the comments. Oh. No videos? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't see that. You didn't see that. Sheesh. My dog. Whoa. See, this is why you don't trust nothing like this. All right? Now, I tell you all the time, make sure y'all wrap up. 'Cause this right here can get you pregnant. What you, see, look, already pregnant. Damn. Oh. Yeah. I'm staying away from this beamer. I don't like this. I don't like this. He said he turned it to the roll.
20 roll.
20 roll? He gonna spin around you. Sheesh. Damn, bro. Look at the carbon on that joint. Oh, damn. Sheesh. Yo, my voice is still gone, bro. Help me, please. I need some tea. Something. This is crazy, bro. Dang. That's wild. Sheesh. Y'all, he said that boat right there make 1,100 horsepower, bro. What the what? Damn. Oh. The Cybertruck and the Benz are gonna get it on. Ah, snap. Who wants smoke? Oh, dang. That boy Orlando, I told y'all he be moving, man. Oh, the GT behind it. He said, no. Not too dead. I'm gonna tumble. He said, no. We are on stocks, y'all. Ah, damn. Oh, whoa.
blew up in the pit, just swapping the rack.
Oh,
My
dang.
brother thought it was
That's an importer? Don't miss that. That thing sounds crazy, bro. That sounds crazy, bro. That thing sounds crazy, bro. Shoo. 60? 6? Hold on. Huh?